planting peas.
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 Yeah, you want help?
It goes in the garden.
Look.
In here.
Yeah, come bring it down here. Push it down here.
Oh, I put it in there.
Close.
I push it.
Hi, everybody. We are planting peas today because it is a beautiful, beautiful, almost spring day.
Can I do that?
Yeah. We're planting these along our trellises. Oh, not that many. Not that many.
Not lots of them?
Yeah, not lots of them. We're just doing about one every 2 inches along the trellis so they can climb up the trellis.
Can I climb up here?
You won't climb up there. You're not a pea.
I'm not a pea.
You're not a pea.
This is a pea?
These are peas, and they're going to give us peas that we're going to eat in the kitchen. Here, let me give you one at a time. Yeah. We eat these in stir fries.
Stir fry?
Mm-hmm.
You give me lots of them.
Let's do one at a time.
One
Okay.
at a time? Can I push
Put it right here. Right here.
Oh, just